Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can record the screen on the Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. In order to find the screen recorder, we need to go to the quick access, so swipe twice from the top to the bottom like so. And then over here somewhere you should find the screen recorder button. In my case it is located in this place, and in order to start recording the screen we need to press on this button. Now over here we'll find the customization of or settings of the screen recorder. And over here we can select if you want to use no sound, if you want to use media, or if you want to use media and the microphone as well. You can also enable taps and touches on the screen so that they are visible when you press something on the screen. So if you want to do that, simply press on this slider and then press start recording. We'll have the countdown, and now we are recording. Whatever we do, it is of course recorded. We can also access some buttons over here in the top right corner. For instance, if we press on this pen, we can also select the color. Let's say I'm gonna choose red, and then we can draw something on the screen. If we press it one more time, then we will disable the drawing. We can also press on this person over here in order to enable the front camera, which will be located in the top left corner, but of course we can also move it around. And then we can also pause the video, resume the recording, and pause the recording completely by pressing this square. And that's it. Now we have recorded the video. We can open the notifications in order to see the video saved. So tap on the notification in order to see the video. We can, for instance, use video player just once, and then we should be able to see the recording. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.